Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by checking WIA and dependencies so you can fix the error fast. You open Services, set Windows Image Acquisition to Automatic, then start it. This ensures the system will accept scan requests. Next, disconnect the scanner USB and wait about 10 seconds before plugging into a direct port because hubs often cause communication timeouts. Once reconnected, open Device Manager and scan for hardware changes to force the driver re-enumeration. This reveals any device conflicts you must resolve before proceeding. Now you tackle drivers and permissions to eliminate hidden causes. You download the latest driver from the manufacturer and install it, and if Windows complains, use compatibility mode to match the OS. This prevents mismatched API calls. Then, in Device Manager, inspect the scanner properties for error codes, resource conflicts, or driver dates. Replace or roll back as needed. Also make sure your user account has local administrator privileges so you can restart services and adjust registry entries tied to WIA access. This avoids permission failures. Finish by restarting everything and testing a scan so you confirm the fix. Restart the WIA service, reboot the scanner, then run Windows Fax and Scan or the vendor app to verify operation. This confirms end-to-end communication. If problems persist, run System File Checker, SFC, and DISM to repair corrupt system components, and reinstall the Windows Scan app or the vendor software to restore missing binaries. If it still fails, check Event Viewer for WIA error entries and timestamps. This single log entry often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.